in this particular figure, now this is a cutout of an open figure, open cube. You can fold it to form a cube. They are asking us, if these are folded to form a cube, what would be the face opposite to white face? So if I am folding it to form a cube, what will lie opposite to white? Now how will I find this? Let's find all the pairs of opposite faces here. Now how will I find opposite faces? See, if any two particular faces are adjacent, they will either share a corner or they will share a side or edge. So either they'll share a corner or they'll share an edge. So let's find out all such pairs that are sharing a corner and edge. Based on that, let's find the pair of opposite faces. अब यहाँ पर let's have this y in consideration. See, this y have a corner common with b, then an edge common with g, an edge common with w, and a corner and edge common with o. That means, can I say y is adjacent to these four faces? Fifth face that is remaining is r. I can say r and y are opposite to each other. Same way, let's see g here. If I have g in consideration, g is having a corner with r, a particular edge common with b, edge common with y, and a corner common with w. That means all of these four faces are adjacent to g. So g, the remaining face that is there, o, g and o will be opposite. So these two are opposite, that two are opposite. So remaining you have b and w. So b and w will be opposite to each other. The question says, if they are folded, what will be opposite to white face? I'll have b, blue opposite to white face. So easy question hai. These are not difficult ones. Let's see the next one.